In modern times, people expect so little from salads. They think it's just leaves with a vinaigrette. It can be so much more, and I think that's what makes me excited about salads is you surprise people. Hi, I'm Hetty. I'm at the NYT Cooking Studio kitchen, and today I'm making Tzatziki chickpea salad. This particular salad was inspired by tzatziki, of course, which is the Greek yogurt salad. And the little trick that I do is I add a little touch of honey. It brings like harmony. It just creates like this little music in the yogurt. I love to grab a really great piece of bread and then just create this kind of easy, dippy dinner. Okay, we're gonna make some tzatziki. We have Greek yogurt. A full fat yogurt is gonna be the yummiest, let's be honest, but you can go low fat if you want to. And a great 1 clove of garlic, nice and fine. I don't often read comments, but I did read some by people who were very surprised by the honey and said it was too sweet. And I always say to that, put the amount of honey in that you want. This is a special seedless lemon. We'll see if it lives up to its advertising. Wow. It's seedless. So we're just gonna add the juice of half a lemon. And now we're just gonna whisk that. And depending upon what brand of yogurt you use, you might need to add a little bit of water just to get it to a kind of drippy consistency. Like that's a little bit thick. Just gonna add a little splash of water. You could also add more lemon juice. It's very hard to just say half a lemon because every lemon is different. So I say always kind of taste as you go. Is that going to drip? I think so. I'm going to season with some salt and pepper. I'm just going to taste it. It's good. I love how many cucumbers there are. I think when you're cooking with few ingredients, you kind of have to commit to the ones you're using. So we're using a lot of cucumbers here. We want all the crunch. And then where there's salad, there's herbs, of course. We're going to use dill and mint, which are flavors that go really well with yogurt. I don't know if you can actually add too much herbs to salad, if I'm going to be honest. The recipe says 1 big handful, use as much as you want. When I had my salad business, somebody asked for the salad without the dill. The dill was the whole flavor of the salad. I just didn't understand it, so I said no. With the mint, I often take the stem off. This is nice mint too. And then I'm going to keep some of the stem of the dill because I like that kind of crunch. All right, now we're just going to put the salad together and it's basically just adding things to the yogurt. The brine has been already taken out, so I'm not pouring the brine in, I'm just pouring in the chickpeas. And then we're gonna add the cucumbers, all your herbs, scallions, mint, and dill. You look at all the greens. This right here is my happy place. And then we're just going to toss it all together. And then of course, you should always season your salad right at the end. I think black pepper works really well, so I'm going to go with a lot of black pepper there, and the other half of your lemon can go in there. And give that another little toss. And always remember, taste, 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 and check the seasonings. You can add more salt and pepper if you need, more lemon if you need. Good one. When it's just about right, I add a little bit more salt and pepper just for good measure. I'm going to dish up this salad. I always save some herbs to put on the top just because it's that much prettier. Like a little bit of olive oil. You can eat it as is, but I really love having it with a little bit of flatbread on the side. I have a thing with people talking with their mouth full. The tartness of the yogurt goes so well with the kind of earthy chickpeas and the crunchy cucumbers. The thing I love most about this salad is actually the herbs. The dill, the mint, the scallions. It's like a symphony of herbs. I love it. This is going to be graceful. Trust me. I would happily eat salad every day for my entire life. Find my tzatziki chickpea salad recipe and more salad recipes on NYT Cooking.